Hi everyone, happy 4th of July. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I've had a great weekend so far. 4th of July is one of my favorites. It is also my birthday weekend because my birthday is the 5th. So it's one of my favorites. I enjoy it. We get to go out, have fun, spend time with our family and our friends. Today we are going to a early 4th of July barbecue. And we're going to be setting off some fireworks and eating some great food and spending time with our friends. And we're really looking forward to it. I filmed this look very quickly while I got ready for the barbecue. I used a lot of products that are kind of my fail-safes. They don't tend to slip off my face when it gets really, really hot. I am in Florida. So when you add the heat, the humidity, it's been raining a lot, and being outdoors, your makeup kind of tends to melt and turn into a puddle if you don't do things to prevent that. My camera did die when I was almost done with my look, unfortunately. So there's a little bit of footage that didn't quite make it, and if you have not subscribed, be sure to click the button below to subscribe to see more videos from me. I try and upload weekly if I'm able to. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. The links for that are also below. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I got this look, let's just keep on watching. First, I'm priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the formula Anti-Aging. Next, I am covering my whole lid with this shade called Mirage by Geek. Next, I'm using these two shades by Geek, Peach Smoothie and Creme Brule, and those are going in my crease. First, the lighter shade, which is Peach Smoothie, and then I will go in more concentrated in the actual crease with Creme Brulee. Now I am using the shade Luna, and this is part of the Geek and Manny MUA collaboration, and I'm using a flat shader brush and I am putting that all over my lid. I am obsessed with this shade. It is absolutely beautiful. Pictures do not do it any justice. Next, I am going into the shade called Sketch by MAC, and this is one of my favorite deep plummy purple shades. I have purchased this shade, oh gosh, maybe 3 times. I use it a lot, and I am concentrating that in a V shape right on my outer corner and into the outer part of my crease. Now I'm going back in with Creme Brulee, and I'm just smoothing the lines and blending everything in that crease area. And I did my winged liner off camera with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and after it was done I decided I wanted to intensify some of those shades a little bit more. So I went back in with a bit more of the shade Sketch. And now for the face. I am using the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation. My skin has since changed the last couple of years. I'm actually a lot more dry than oily, so I don't use this foundation as much anymore. But at the time when my skin was more oily, this formula was perfect for me, and it would last all day. Now under my eyes, I'm using the NYX Color Correcting Peach Concealer. And then I'm going to go in and I am going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. And I'm just using that to color correct some of the circles under my eyes and get rid of some of the darkness. And now I'm going back in under my eyes with the Urban Decay Naked Weightless Skin Concealer. And I'm just setting my under eye area with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Light. And in just a moment, I'm going to be putting that all over my face as well to set everything. But first, I am spot concealing with the Maybelline Cover Stick. It's one of my cheap go-tos, and it's nice and thick. And I'm taking that powder and I am setting my whole face so it stays put and the makeup will not move the whole day, even though I'm going to be outside in the heat. Now I am just bronzing my face right where I would contour around my forehead, a little bit on my nose, chin, and then just below my cheekbones. And I am using, oh, I forget the name, the Tarte bronzer. On my cheeks, I am using the MAC Blush Melba. Then to highlight my inner corner, I'm using the shade Nylon by MAC. And coming up here is the footage that I lost. You know, I lost some footage. My camera overheated and turned off on me. So, but you guys didn't miss much. Just me filling in my brows and a couple other things. So we're gonna jump ahead to where I got footage again, and that is me putting on my lip color. I am not sure which color this is. I will have to look and find it, hopefully, and link that down below. Thank you all for watching.